Okay, this video is about getting an accountant and why.
Yeah, so first things first, obviously, this is business. You want to treat it like a business. And to do so, you're going to want to get an accountant in place. This is a high cash flow business, which obviously is great for us
Yeah.
and great for you guys. But you're going to want an accountant to make sure everything is going smoothly.
Yeah, I mean, to start off with, you're just going to be learning the business. So an accountant straight away, like we experienced, wasn't necessary. But we did scale the business very quickly. And as the business scaled, we realized we needed an accountant for multiple reasons. But just being able to stay on top of things, knowing our net profit, it's much more streamlined, much simpler to actually get an accountant. So he pays for himself, and they're not as expensive as you think. And that's why we thought, let's make a video and tell people getting an accountant is a good idea. Actually saves you money because they can help you with what you can put through your business. And I'm surprised by how much you can put through your business.
And what you can save money on, of course.
They're really good value.
Definitely. And we recommend also the accountant that we use. His name's Marcus. He's from Zazie Accountancy.
Yeah.
The reason why we recommend him is because he's obviously already dealt with us and a few of our students as well. In other words, he knows the business module, so he's not going to get confused. I have spoken to a couple of accountancy about what I'm doing, and they just don't understand.
Yeah, they don't really understand the dropshipping model, do they?
No, whereas Marcus does. So he's a good contact to have.
Yeah.
Also, being a high cash flow business, you're going to hit the VAT threshold pretty quickly, which is a good thing. Embrace it. Don't fear it.
Really don't fear it.
Really don't fear it, because it means you're making a lot of money as well.
Yeah.
So, but that means you're also going to want an accountant in place, unless you know how to do it yourself, which I personally do not.
Yeah.
And that means they're just going to take care of your VAT return for you as well.
Yeah. And what we'll do is we'll leave some information just for you to take before you can.
And we'll put his information in on the course as well.
Yeah, direct to Marcus.
Brilliant. All right, guys.
Great.
See you in the next video.